Psalmite for the Blind.
Psalmite Braille Video Tutorial.
Convert text to various Braille codes. When translating from print text to Braille, SMB will use the default Braille translation table. Unified English Uncontracted Braille has been selected as the default table when installing SMB. If you want to translate text with a different table without changing the default table, or if you want to translate multilingual text with corresponding language Braille tables, this video will show you how to do that. Additionally, we will also introduce customizations for translation tables. Note: the Braille translation table mentioned in this video is used to translate text content, including literature text, alternate text of images, and text information of music scores such as song titles/authors, etc. Braille codes for mathematical expressions and musical notes will use separate code tables and different translation rules. For more information, please refer to the tutorials related to converting images, mathematical expressions, and music. Add new translation table. Currently on the screen is a sample document with paragraphs written in English, Vietnamese, and Norwegian. By default, SMB only enables two Braille translation tables: Unified English, Uncontracted, and Contracted. Below, we will demonstrate the steps to add a new translation table of Vietnamese Uncontracted Braille. 1. Go to the Tools menu and open the Options dialog.
Scoring. Spell check-in. Pane on Options. Preview. General.
2. Select the Translation Tables settings page.
T. Translation tables.
3. Press Tab to move to the list of translation tables.
Tab Control Browse Translation tables list Afrikaans.
4. Use the arrow keys or press V to quickly find the Vietnamese Uncontracted.
Vietnamese Uncontracted checkbox not checked.
5. Press the space key to select. 6. Click OK to save.
Space checked. Pane multilingual text sample about a Psalmite Center for the.
Apply translation tables. The title of the document, Multilingual Text Sample, and the following title, About Us, will be translated using the default Unified English Uncontracted. The English paragraphs after that will be applied to the Unified English Contracted. All subsequent Vietnamese content will be applied with the newly added Vietnamese Uncontracted Braille table. To apply a translation table: 1. Select the content you want to apply. 2. Go to the Tools menu, use the arrow key to open the Translation Tables submenu. 3. Choose the desired table. Note: content that is not applied with any table will be converted using the default table. Now we will apply translation tables for the text as described above.
So, our mission is to score info, translate C, menu default, no translation Alt+0 English, Unified English Uncontracted Alt+1 English, Unified English Contracted Alt+2. Multilingual text sample. Heading 2 guide score translate menu English Unified English Uncontracted Alt+1 English Unified English Contracted Alt+2 Vietnam multilingual texts.
Options for translation table. Before converting to Braille to check the result, we will add a Norwegian Grade 2 Contracted Braille translation table. Specify Braille indicators and set color for the content that is applied with this table. 1. Go to the Tools menu and open the Options dialog.
Scoring. Spell check-in. Pane on Options. Preview. General.
2. Select the Translation Tables settings page.
T. Translation tables.
3. Press Tab to move to the list of translation tables.
Tab Control Browse Translation tables list Afrikaans.
4. Use the arrow keys or press N to quickly find the Norwegian Grade 2 Contracted.
Norwegian Grade 2 Contracted checkbox not checked.
5. Press the spacebar to select.
Norwegian Grade 2 Contracted checkbox not checked. Space checked.
6. Tab to the Beginning Symbol field.
Table beginning symbol edit blank.
Assuming we want to indicate the start of text applied with this Norwegian Grade 2 table, it will be marked with the dot pattern, 36 and 236. Let's enter the dot pattern here. Please note, two Braille characters are separated by a dash sign, and Braille space is represented by number 0.
3, 6, dash, 2, 3, 6.
7. The next field is ending symbol. Enter the Braille dot pattern, 36 and 356, assuming we want to indicate the end of the text applied with this table.
Ending symbol edit blank. 3, 6, dash, 3, 5, 6.
8. Press Tab to the color field. Choose a color for the content that is applied with this table. Let's try with violet. This color option only affects in print document and mainly helps sighted users quickly identify which text is assigned to which translation table. 9. Click OK to save.
Color combo box black collapsed. V. Color violet. Multilingual text sample.smd print dsm.
Let's go to the end of the document, select the paragraph written in Norwegian, go to the Translation Tables submenu in Tools, and choose the Norwegian Grade 2 Contracted table to apply.
Den texteners. Cap D. Den text. Score translate CT. Menu. English. Unified English uncontracted. Alt+1 English. Unified English contracted. Alt+2 Norwegian. Grade 2 contracted. Alt+3. Multilingual text sample. Cap D. Den texten.
Now you see the Norwegian text change to the violet instead of the default black color. Check translation result. Press Ctrl+T to translate to Braille.
The document is ready to view. Edit. Page 1, Heading 1. Blank.
We are quickly reviewing the translation result from the beginning of the document. The first two heading content is translated using the default Unified English Uncontracted Braille table. The English section following is translated using Unified English Contracted Braille. All Vietnamese content is translated using Vietnamese Uncontracted Braille. After the heading text, Custom Options, is the paragraph in Norwegian, translated using the Norwegian Grade 2 Contracted Braille table. You will also see there are Braille indicators added to the start and the end of the paragraph, starting with dot pattern, 36 and 236, and ending with 36 and 356.
For any questions, please email us at support@salmicenter.org. Thanks for watching.